issues with it seems like projector. It's okay, we can see that, but not very clear. Maybe like we can start it then. You guys able to see clearly? Oh, okay, good. So let's start it, right? We will be starting up with. Okay. Did all things easy now? Last time? Okay, let's come down. We'll go to virtual machine. It's okay? Can you see guys? Offline guys, can you see? Better, right? Better, no? Okay, good. So you can observe here, if you go back to virtual machine, what does mean by virtual machine? Tell me guys, what does mean by virtual machine? Yes, you are right. Buddy, virtual machine is a system only. That is not physical system, that is something called a virtual system. What do you mean by virtual? Remote. What do you mean by remote? That we cannot see. We can just use it. Okay? Right? Clear now? So it's something called as an online kind of thing. Okay, dear? Good. So virtual machine is a machine that we are using it with the help of remote only. Before we start with the virtual machine, I wanted to give you one beautiful example for that. Or it's not example, you can say this is a scenario, okay? So if you go with a virtual machine, let me take one example to you. Actually, I have got one project, okay? I have got one project which would give me 4 lakhs to me. Got the point? I have got a project which would be giving me 4 lakhs of it. Clear? Good. And it takes around 2 weeks of time to complete. Shall I take it? Everyone, yes, you should take it, right? Good. 2 weeks, 4 lakh. Not bad, right? Good. But in that 2 weeks, we need 2 resources. How many resources? 2 resources. Leave it, developer, QA, whatever. It need 2 resources. Good. So if we need 2 resources, got the point. Let's understand. If we need the 2 resources, okay. So 2 resources, basically they are saying that I need a, client says that you need to have a 2 different laptop with the highest configuration. What is the configuration they are looking? They are looking for i7 processor. That is the what is that? It's like highest generation, right? 12th or 15th, I guess, I'm not pretty sure. Okay? 12th generation. 12th only? So let's say this is 12th generation. So they need a laptop for the resource, i7 processor, 12th generation. Right now? Good. i7 processor, 12th generation, we need that. Very good. So now next is, what is the next? Next thing is, buddy, if you need an i7 processor 12th generation laptop with us, okay, if you go in the market and if you try to purchase that, okay, so it will cost around 80 plus, not less than, let's see, I'm keeping as a 1 lakh approximately. And that too they have one more thing, demand is that I need to have minimum 1 TB of SSD RAM. Okay? They need 1 TB. 1 TB also it costs more, right? So 1 lakh minimum it will cost. Clear or not? Yes. So I don't have a laptop with me. I have it, but i5 processor is there. That too 4th, 5th generation I have it. So what should I do? Purchase? Very good. So if you purchase, how much I am expending? 1 lakh each. So it will be 2 lakh rupees. Right? Very good. 2 resources will work. Okay, with full dedication. At least they will take 1 lakh rupees, 50,000. Minimum I am talking. Right? So 1 lakh for the resources. Okay. Now maybe 50,000 will go for your coding and different management, anything it will go. Yes or no? Expenditure. So this is your expenditure. Okay, expenditure, right? Then how much it left? 50K. So tell me, is there why decision to make earn 50,000 for 2 weeks of time? Being an entrepreneur? No, there is not. For us it's okay, we will get 50,000, it's a big amount for us. But for entrepreneur it's not nothing, 50,000 nothing yet. That too they have to pay the tax and these many things and pressure. It's not a good idea to take this project. Okay. But what if someone will come and tell you, I'll give you this laptop, i7 processor, 12th generation in 2,000 per month. Or let's say 5,000. 5,000. So I'll say that 5,000 per month I will charge. Okay, I'll give it to you. So what I'll do, I'll take 2. How much will cost? 10,000 for per month. That too I need 15 days only. It will go obviously 5,000 only. But let's see. Let's go 2 months only. Okay. So we are spending 10,000 here. Then we are spending 1 lakh for salary. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lakhs for salary. Okay. 15,000 for our expenditure. So how much we are earning? 150, 160, right? So hardly we are spending 160, right? Minus 4 lakh. So we will be getting around 2 lakh 40,000. Yes, isn't it? Yes or not yet? We will get 2 lakh 40,000. So 2 lakh 40,000, 15 days is not a bad idea. Yes or no? So buddy, virtual machine is the same place. If any system you need, any storage you need, any good system you need, let's go for virtual machine. You can get the system with the Azure will give you. Amazon will give you, okay, based on your configuration what you are looking for. Got the point? Everything you will get it out with just create a account in Azure, create a virtual machine and try to make use of it and pay that. Simple. Okay. So that thing you will get it out, right? Guys, just a minute. Online folks, just give a minute of time, okay? We are trying to resolve that project issues. Just few minutes, please.
So can you reduce the font size?
Can I reduce it?
If we are not able to see it.
No, that is not a problem with that. I need to scroll a bit right. I think this will be good now.
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Yes.
Is it?
Okay. Good. Fine. Let's see, guys. We are back again.
So we are not sharing.
I'm not sharing the screen. Guys, you are able to see the screen. No, I'm sharing it. Seems. Team, can someone confirm whether you guys are able to see my screen? Someone, please. Just ping me whether you are able to see. Yeah, Vijay says that she is able to see. Perfect.
No, but leave me.
You guys are not. I think you guys can see the screen. Are you guys able to see the screen now?
Only blank.
Only blank screen. Wait, let me try to reshare it once again. I can see my notepad. I can see that I am sharing a screen. Okay.
I will reconnect.
Then you have to reconnect it again. What about Niranjan and others? You guys can see my notepad, right? Okay, good. Fine. So guys, we have seen an example, right? So we have a 2 case, right? So first case it says that very clear. I will go with my virtual machine. Okay, instead of purchasing a new laptop, okay, I will make use of my virtual machine for my sake. Okay. So I will be doing the help of my virtual machine for my preparation of my project or anything, right? For that I will make a monthly payment. So same virtual machine you have to make the payment to your Azure. Okay. So let's try to do that. Okay, with the help of Azure, you can able to see that. So for that you have to go to a portal.azure.com. Okay. Why this is not? Zoom I can do is not the website. Okay, fine, let's see. So portal.azure.com, right? So we'll go to portal.azure.com. I'm over here. Okay. Don't ask me to log in, please. Good. Okay. So I'm onto this page now, right? So this is Azure account. So here you have an option of virtual machine. Can you see this right side? Right side we have a virtual machine now. So this is a virtual machine. So this is something that you have it. Let's click on it. Okay. Let's click on the virtual machine over there that I can have it. Now you can see that. Create a virtual machine that runs in the window. Select the image from the marketplace or use your customizing it. See, image is nothing here. Okay. So image is nothing. It's kind of no, it's painful. And like skin.
Take the rest, sir.
Hmm?
Take the rest, no problem, sir. Take the rest.
We'll do it. So we will go ahead and create a virtual machine. Okay. In the virtual machine, we have option. What is that? You can create your virtual machine that runs Linux or Windows. It runs in one system. Okay. Linux and the Windows. You could able to select the image with help. Image is nothing. You are taking that operating system, right? That is something called as an image. Okay. With the help of marketplace. So let's try to create, either click on this or you can able to click on the create here. So let's click Azure virtual machine. Okay. We will use the first option only. So we'll go ahead and click the Azure virtual machine. There, if you go back here, you have the option of project detail. Can you observe it? Right? Project detail. So let's try to go here. Come down. Okay, come down. Can you see this subscription may not be able to deploy the VM in the certain regions. Okay, because it's free version, right? So they'll not give the free service to some regions. Okay, so we need to figure out which region is free. We'll try 2, 3. Let's see. Let's come down. Okay, so you see the resource. What is my resource name? Naveen Trading in my resource name. You have to choose your virtual machine name. So anything like how you are creating the Azure SQL, similar to that. So I will just write as a Naveen VM1. Okay, we'll see it is available or not. It is available. So let's scroll down. Okay, the reason you have to choose it, buddy. Okay, so let me go to the West US. Let's go with the C. Want to go to Central India? Let's go to Central India. Okay, we came to India. Now in that, after that, available zones. We want the available zones. Yes, we are dividing now in zone wise. 1, 2, 3 region. Okay, let's try to choose all 3 zones. You can choose multiple zones also. Okay, then 3 zones you can create. So if you create a multiple zones, you will create a virtual machine for 1, virtual machine for 2, virtual machine for 3. Right? So I just for sake for understanding I created one. Okay? So you just click on the one zone for that, and then what type of security I wanted to go for the standard because I'm using the free. Okay? So let's scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Now this is what you have to choose it. Can you guys see this? Hello please. Yes. See, this is important for you to understand. This is how the prices would be. Okay? See, if you go for the free standard one, it will give you 1 GB of memory, just 1 GB. Entire space will take 1 GB of memory, 1 GB. Here, there is option here. Okay, 1 GB of memory. That is free service, right? It will not charge anything. You keep on Saturday, Sunday also, active. It will not charge. But it's what is that? No, actually this costs 640 rupees per month. The cost of this is 640 rupees per month, but it is for free trial. It is free. They are giving you the free service instead of you don't have to pay 640 rupees. It will give you free. Clear or not? Okay. Got the point, right? So 640 rupees you don't have to pay. The next is 2 CPU they will give. You can able to use the 2 CPUs with 8. Okay, understand? They are giving you free, but you cannot use anything. The speed will be very low. You cannot even create app service also. So what I will do, I'll create one app services. I'll create one virtual machine with 1 GB memory.
Okay.
Free.
Okay.
and I'll create one with the 16 GB of memory also. Both I'll show you. Just for your understanding, I'll show you what is the difference between these two. One is free, another one is paid. Paid that too, I am paying 7,000 per month. Okay, there is this difference in the speed.
Okay.
You observe it. Yes, the speed will be different total. In the real time in the organization, people will go with the highest speeds, not with this free and all. Because you have to host the application now.
The last
I'll
time.
take the example here. I'll take the example of you here, okay? Let's see, today, now the big billion days is going on till 15th, no?
Okay.
Good. So if I'll make a free wala, virtual machine to Flipkart, I'll start clicking on searching, my application will search, I cannot open that laptop, or I cannot place order. It's a loss for Flipkart. What if they pay the highest speed? So let's see they are spending 10,000, let's see, they are spending 10 lakhs in virtual machine, imagine that, with the speed, but they are getting 10 crores, they will earn 10 crores, yes or no? Got the point now? So this is how we have to, every application you have to create a virtual machine, that is for sure. Every application you need to have a virtual machine. Clear here? Good. So next question is, okay, next part is, first time I'll create with the free, then later I'll create with the 16 or something, okay? Free. Come now, you guys also choose the center area, this is a beautiful example. Come down. Username, okay, so this is the username, right? I have to go with the password. I don't want to use my SSH key, I will go with the password. So click on the password, choose your own username, own password, right? That you have to remember at the time of creation connection, you need that, okay? So let's see, I'm giving the name as a Naveen VM1 user, or let's see Naveen VM1 login. Got the point? Naveen VM1 login. Very good. So what is the password? Password, let's see, I am giving as a Azure at 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay. And here also I'll use the password as Azure. By default password is this. Okay. I'll copy my username for my reference. Okay, right? This is the default password I using it, okay? So this is now VM all here. Now you come back here. So what you wanted to choose? You have to select all these three. How you are connecting? I am connecting with all these three modes: HTTP, HTTPS, and SSH. Clear now? Right? Any doubt? Any doubts? No doubts in this page. All the guys, do anyone have doubts in this page?
So why we use that 3?
Yes, very good. In case in the future you have to connect with SSH also, this virtual machine will be active.
That only, right?
No, you just get it. Just think it, okay? Leave let me know. Right, you heard it, you did it, which class?
Previous class only.
Yes, Unix one, Linux system. But Windows will go with the HTTP. That's the reason they are giving it, okay? But give it for your sake. You can go with the HTTP only, it's no one is stopping. Okay? So next thing is disk. Go to the disk. These all are just a so charges is free, but it says that let's see 0.8 paise, 87 paise, okay, as charge per hour. So they are giving like bluff, right? They told free, oh no free. Understand that? We did a mistake. They did a mistake. We did a mistake. Come on here. This is the pair I was here, right? They did not did a mistake. We did a mistake. What is the mistake we did? Come here. It says that free service eligible. The guys who is having free trial account, they are eligible for this. They are not giving free to you. Got the point now? Think logically, buddy. What is the meaning here? Free service eligible. The guys who are using the free trial account, those guys are eligible for.
Free service.
Sir, we are using that free trials
Yes.
only, na?
Who? I am. Yes.
We are
But we are also using that free trials, na? We can.
Yes. Then we are eligible for this.
But how? Why we give that amount?
Right. See, it is you guys are free for you are eligible for this. You have to pay this much amount to that Azure, right? But if you go with the other amount, the charges are high. The charges are high. Then that might not be. You don't have that some much of sufficient what is that valid amount with you. If it is not there, they'll not allow you to create.
free trial में 12,700
You can select it, but you should have a balance with that. Got it? But if you go pay as you go, there is no balance problem. Bill will come next month, right? Okay, now the bill will get next month here. Got the point, right? So we are using the lesser cost, this one. We'll create another one also if we have a balance. Okay? Fine. So let's see that. I'm going to the next. There is already we did it, okay? Advanced. So it's giving the alert you that here I'll charge you 87 paise per hour. See, it is hourly basis. So 87 paise, let's see Saturday, Sunday 24 hours, so 24 rupee around 24 to 48 rupee. Again, let's see 24, so let's see around 72 rupee, right? So you are paying 72 rupee Saturday, Sunday if you are not doing. 72 is just, it's not a big amount, but yes, what if you are using the high
Compared to
memory? So you have to keep in the mind, we have to make use of very securely. Okay, right? So let's click on the create. Just click on the create. So it is trying to create your virtual machine. Let it get created, then we'll connect it also. I'll show you. We'll connect with SSH not. We'll connect with the HTTP only. The deployment will take time. But speed means, I'll show you the difference, don't worry. I'll show you the difference. We'll create the 12,000 one also, okay? But if you log in, the creation of the app service, that would be fast. But it's simple. This laptop is i7 processor. This laptop, anyway, this is the i5 processor. If you go my office laptop, it is i7 processor. Okay. Obviously, that laptop will be faster than this, right? The processor is more, no? So your deployment is completed here. Okay. So if your deployment got completed here, right? So next thing is that you have to keep in the mind here. Okay. Go to resource. What is that? You can go to the resource, particular resource that you are creating it. Okay. Just click on go to resources. Now, to which you can create okay. We did a mistake, buddy. What is the mistake we did? We selected Unix. Okay, actually I wanted to go with the you never that? It's a reminder period. Then we go with okay, let me create another one quickly. Okay. See, if you go with that, we'll create that RDP only. Okay, remote desktop protocol. Let me create it quickly one more. So let's create it here. Yes, you can do putty and all would be tried by Amazon. Okay. The guys who is using AWS, Sunil, I might be sure that you might be using Amazon, yes. The guys, see, for Amazon, we have to use some external tools for using. For us, not required. Everything is there with us, okay? So let me quickly create it, okay, without wasting the time. So let's go and remind me, madam, please. Okay, come down here. We have a resource group. Choose your Naveen train here. We'll go to Naveen VM2. Okay. Let's make it win. Right. So come down. What we choose a user region? India, right? Central India, no? Let me choose a Central India. Come down this, yes. So let me select window 10 something or 12, 11, whatever. It's up to you guys. We are latest 11, right? So you want to choose 11, let's choose that 11. Okay? So that is the mistake I did it last time. Fine. First one is Ubuntu, Unix, Linux. Okay? Done. So let me, can I go ahead? Okay, we need to choose that, yeah, we need to give the name and all, right? Okay, so I use that now, let's say Naveen server room, I'll use it, okay, 1, right? So let me copy this, I'll keep it out here for your, right? This is the username for window 1, okay? So let's choose that, you have a password over here. So I use the default password what we used to use it, okay? So Azure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is my default password. Right? So next part that you're going to see here is Azure at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Clear? So I'm using the password right here. Name this, okay. Can you see this new thing is kind of RDP. This is called a remote desktop protocol. Right? That we need that. But I'll go with others also. It not charge anything, right? So I can go with the charge. I can go with this. I need to authorize it. Okay. Then go to this. We can go ahead. We can go ahead with this. We can go ahead with this. And then after validation, we'll click on the create. It is not there is no change in the price because I'm using the same thing. I didn't change my plan. Okay. I'll go with the create. So let me create this. Okay, so you just click on the create option there. So my deployment is in progress. It takes some time, okay? So let it get completed, then we'll try to connect it. Connection is simple, you'll enjoy it. And you have to see this, you have to do it practically. Why? Because in the real time, no, you guys will be working on VDI. Okay? So VDI will look like this, exactly this, almost the same, not exactly, almost the same it will look like. Maybe tomorrow I will tell you something about the VDI more. When I went to the doctor today, how he did he know? He told me to sleep, okay? I slept on the bed. Then he wear the gloves, close me door, put my face like this, and he was this grinding machine I was in grinding machine. Like this, he was rubbing like anything else. It was very painful. I was scolding him. Because when we went first, he told, why did it came now? You have to come before 10 days only. Will not go. Then I told, what is the solution? Then again we have to start treatment from then. It will come from starting onwards. Let's see. Now he is telling me to go for bodies also. Back and all this. This is enough. I bear the pain, but I cannot bear the pain for my body. I don't know. I told him, okay sir, it's painful, right? So let's see this result, then I'll apply it there. After that, I'll not go to him. I'm giving that receipt of 4,000.
They have taken this 33437 to 4100. With medicine, treatment, everything. Actually, he told me to do.
Come evening. But evening I have a batch, right? I told her I cannot come. Then come tomorrow. Afternoon time. Here only unprepared. Yes, Krishna. It takes some time for deployment, okay? Can you see this? It is almost created. Okay now? And these all got pass also. Right? What of the water?
This time wasted.
You are using free now?
Sir, in your office you are using paid.
Yes.
In your office.
All paid. Super duper speed. Speed will be very good. Earlier I was okay man, but now my manager is taking more works to me. Today morning 10:30 also he is connecting. He is saying for stand up 10:30 to 10:45, but he is connected to 12 o'clock. I will show you. Today I am not mood. I have load my laptop but not in mood to open. I'll open and he'll drop me a message. App present, brothers. It's a virtual machine, it's not a app service. You are creating a new laptop itself. Okay? So this virtual machine, you are creating a new system itself, man. So it takes some time, right? Obviously.
We have to do with our office.
Company, no, not at all. Not even a single penny also. They'll create an account, but they'll not give one account to you. Intra, right? I told you the users, they'll create a users for that. You'll use one subscription. But you don't have to bother about the payment or all, they'll take care. Where is college guys? I'm not able to see this online guys. Are you guys online? Fourth year college guys. Anyone is online? Oh, perfect, Sunil. Okay, so now let's click on the go to resource. Okay, just click on that go to resource. I'll tell you how to connect it. Okay, you also go and connect it today. You just click on the connect. What do you have to do? Click on connect. Just click on the connect. Where is error? No, that is not error. That is not error. That is saying that your virtual machine is not ready. Just now we created. No, it takes some time for ready. We created a machine, but my machine is not ready. So meanwhile, we will connect. It will get ready. No problem. Okay, that is not error message. Just click on connect option. So as soon as you click on the connect option, it will give you the RDP because I have chosen the RDP, right? And you are connecting to your IP address, this public IP address. So internet, IP address, everything use your main IP address, okay? But it will have a connection to different system itself. Let's click on the connect. Can I create it? Okay, let's click on the connect or select. Okay. So we have three rules to pass. First is IP address pass, then port access pass, then this. If these three will pass, then only you can create it. This is a system checker. It will get passed, don't worry. Passed, right? Okay. So after that, you have to click on download RDP file. RDP means remote desktop protocol. So you have to download. So you will see there is a download option will come. So this is your laptop. In that screen you can see. Or let me show you here. Okay. Let's not stop it. Not show you here. Let me go to download first and I'll show you. Can you see the download? There is an option here. Guys, have a look here. Can you see this? Okay. So let's try to click on it. So it will ask you whether you want to connect. Yes, I wanted to connect it. Okay. Okay. So it asks you to go ahead and give the password. What password? Right. So what username login you have given? Naveen room server something we use it, right? Same username and the same password you have to create here, right? Give it. So my default password I usually, right? Good. So it is trying to connect. It says that, are you sure that you wanted to connect? I say that yes, I wanted to connect. Yes, I'm very sure. Okay. Yes, it is connected. This is how exactly your video look like. Okay. So tomorrow I'll show you that. Okay. See, this is a new laptop. You're logging in. Okay. New system there is Azure will give it to you. What you need, man? 1 rupee, not even 1 rupee. You're using 1 hour. New laptop here is like, but the speed will be less. Okay, it's could be very less. So tomorrow class, I'll show you. I'll create one 16 GB of one, and there we'll deploy one application, app service or anything. Okay, we'll create any services, and then I'll show you. Okay, then you can observe the speed. What is the difference in this and that? Then after that we'll go to VDI. Then we'll go with the IAS, PS, SAS. Okay. IAS, PAS, and SAS. Infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. So it takes some time first time, right? You are connected. Important, that is very important. Interview questions, minimum 3 questions. In IAS, PAS, SAS. Yes.
So are you using those 3?
Which one?
ISP.
Yes, everyone, you are using, you are also using. You are also using. You know how? Okay. The example of, I'll just click on next, okay? The example of PAS, I'll teach you anyway tomorrow, no problem. PAS is app service that you are using. IAS is virtual machine that you are using. SS is Gmail, Facebook, anything. I'll give the example, beautiful example, don't worry, so that you remember. I'll compare with one proper example. So guys, the speed will be less, you have to bear. See, this is your VDI, this is a new system, but if you wanted to come out of that, there is an option called minimize. Can you see this? So you have to use local now. Okay? Not able to see? Okay, no? You can see, man. Okay. So we have the option of this. Can you see here? Okay. So it will come, right, got it. So there is a minimize button here. Minus. Okay. So I cannot count down. So you just have to go there, you came inside this. Okay. This is your new system, man. Just minimize it. Okay. Here there is a minus here. Okay. Minimize. Okay. Come down, there will come. So you are new to the new system. Okay. Nothing is there with you. No Word document, no Google Chrome, no Mozilla. It's pretty new system. Only thing you will get the internet. Okay. That to internet will use it. Whose internet will use it? Yes. What I am using it. Okay. Fine. Now you can go to your Edge. Right. Microsoft Edge. So it will open it. So this is the internet, okay? So as you can able to log into your portal.azure.com also. Can you see how speed it is? Very slow speed, okay? Don't worry, let's not waste that much of time in this, okay? So you can close this here, right? You can close by this, and I'll also go ahead here. Yeah, buddy. I'll go back to this page, right? Okay. I'll go to my virtual machine. Let's go to here, virtual machine, right? I'll go to the virtual machine and let's see. Mandatory for you. Please delete this too. Since you are not using, right? I'll not use. Tomorrow we'll create it. How much time takes? No?
Just half an hour.
5
just
10 minutes.
5 10.
Creation 5 minutes. Okay, connecting it will like 5 minutes. That's it. Not more than that. Okay. You just delete this service. You can stop also. It will work out. But by mistake, if you are not stopping, then chances be high, right? So you just try to delete it. Guys, tomorrow class, I'll create one more virtual machine. I've shown you that this one will go for the higher version. Then inside that, I'll try to create login to your app service portal. Azure DevOps will deploy one service. That's it. If you do, then it will be great for me. But if not, then let me do it tomorrow class. Fine? Finally, that's it. Thank you so much for joining, guys. Okay, I know your class has been disturbed today due to some technical issues, but let's hope for the best for tomorrow. Okay? Thank you. Take care, guys. Any question, guys? Please let me know. Online, guys, do you have any questions? Please do let me know. No? Fine then. Thank you. We'll see you tomorrow. Thank you. Take care.